Hello, I like to make today chocolate fudge sticks, and what we do is for this recipe we need mini muffin baking tin, 24 mini muffin basically tray. What we have to do with our tray, we need line it with paper cases, which is we use simple white mini cupcake paper cases. And once we're done that, we use about 1/4 of hundred and thousands, or simply sprinkles, whatever you're able to find. So what we do is we divided these sprinkles among our 24 basically little tiny muffin pans, just like this, simply on the bottom. So once we finish all that, we set aside all 24. So next step is to combine basically 1 can of condensed milk, which is just a normal condensed milk. This one is 395 gram. Most of condensed milk are similar size, and 400 gram will be okay as well. So we have 1 can of condensed milk, then we add 100 gram of cubed butter, next is we add brown sugar. It's just a normal average brown sugar. We need 1 cup and a quarter of firmly packed brown sugar. It's packed well. And we need 1 tablespoon of golden syrup. I add already, it's already in the condensed milk because I added a tiny bit early. So once we're done this, basically we have to place it, our mixture, into 3-liter heat-resistant glass bowl. It just makes a little bit easier to work. So what we do is next we will cook in the microwave. So we place our bowl, uncover it in the microwave on a medium to high 70% for 8 to 10 minutes and stirring every 2 minutes. Once you finish cook your mixture in the microwave, that's how a mixture it will look. It's nice and even. Now for me it doesn't took actually 10 minutes. It took me about 7 roughly minutes to actually get nice even consistency. It's a little bit some brown sugar up here. All right, what we do is next we add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence to our mixture and mix together. Now next step is, if you like color of this fudge, what you do is add 100 gram of chopped white chocolate, if you like to do so. What I like to do is I actually will divide this mixture into 2 bowls, and in first mixture I will add 50 gram of white chocolate, and in second mixture I will add 50 gram of dark chocolate, to just see a little bit what's actual look like will of our fudge when they have a little bit different tone. So let's add our chocolate. Once we add our chocolate, as I said before, you can use only 1 kind of chocolate, milk chocolate, if you like to do so. You can use milk chocolate or dark chocolate. As you can see, this mixture we add the dark chocolate, and it's much darker if you like to have it mixture like that, or you can just simply add white chocolate and have much lighter looking fudge. So what we do is Once our chocolate is melted and completely incorporated, we allow to cool mixture for 5 minutes. Then we divide our mixture among our prepared paper cases, which is we done it already. Our sprinkles we place on the bottom. What we do is next we simply divide our mixture among our paper cases, and what we do is we just place, of course, as much as you want it of each, or if you make it just a one type of color, so you just do simply divide it among paper cases. So what we do is next, once we fill up our paper cases, what we do, we chill our mixture until it's almost set. Once it's practically set, what we do, we use paddle pops like this, or paddle pop sticks, whatever they call in different countries, and we insert them into each one. But first of all, we need chill until it's almost set to make sure we're able to put paddle pops into each one. When fudge is firm enough after chilling, what we do is we just insert paddle pop sticks into each one, and what we do is then we chill completely until it's firm. Then we can remove from molds. When chocolate fudge sticks are set, remove from the molds and peel away paper if you like, and also if you like, wrap in a cellophane and tie with a little bit of ribbon or string, something like that. See, that's how they look like on top. See, I place them in a cellophane individual one, and this is the darker color ones. It's which one you prefer, and it makes great gifts for the children, as well as great for the children parties. Thank you very much for your time with me today. I hope you like this simple recipe of chocolate fudge sticks. Until next time, goodbye.